I'm going to show you what's inside the ThriveLife box. Got these two pamphlets here. And the first things first, sheet, how to start as a new ThriveLife consultant. Okay, let's see here. We got the sliced strawberries. This is the chopped onions. One of the advantages of chopped onions is that you just open it. Can you see that? It's washed, pre-cut, and ready to use. So there's no more having to take fresh onions, chop it, get teary eye, and then put the rest in the fridge and it could go spoil. So this is ready whenever you want chopped onions. These are the pineapple. Let's open that. Inside are these oxygen absorber to keep it fresher. These ThriveLife fruits can last 25 years. And this is the pineapple. They're crunchy, delicious. And if you want to refresh it, all you need to do is to add a little bit of water to refresh the pineapple to become moist and softer. But it tastes delicious as is. This is grilled chicken dices. So it's already pre-cooked, seasoned, and perfectly diced. So you mix it into your salads, your fettuccine, smother it with barbecue sauce. Use it for any recipe, the grilled chicken. And ThriveLife also have what they call these snackies. These are freeze-dried snackies. This one is bananas. I like bananas. This is great for children to eat. These are freeze-dried peas, green peas. Kids can eat them like candy. Also got Fuji apples. Those are good. Sweet corn. Imagine eating sweet corn as a snack, just as is. They come in, this size is about 2.7 ounce or 78 grams. Great for school, for going camping, going on a little hike, a little day trip. Carry a bag in your knapsack, and you got your nutritious snack. So that's what you get in the $100 box. Free delivery on orders over $100. What are the benefits of ThriveLife? Well, it's for people like you. These are pre-cut, pre-washed. They don't spoil or go bad. just use what you need. GMO, preservative, and MSG free. No artificial flavors or colors. And it's delivered to your door. So, if you'd like to have more information about ThriveLife Foods, contact me.